In this video, I will show you how to download Steam. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I've got the Steam app downloaded and I'll be showing you how to do this today on a laptop or PC. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com, and in the Google search box, just go ahead and put Steam download. Now what you want to do is click onto the second result, which is store.steampower.com, and that's going to take you across to the official Steam website. From here, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see an option to install Steam. So you want to click onto this first of all. Then it's going to give you some options on how to install Steam. So of course this depends whether you want to install it on a Windows PC, a Chromebook, or a MacBook. So by default I'm on Windows, so it's going to set this up for Windows. However, if you're using like a Mac or something like that, you can see the icons underneath. You just want to click onto the relevant one to download that version onto your system. In this tutorial I'm just going to click the blue button to go ahead and install and download Steam onto my PC. So once that's done, just come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search box and type downloads to locate your downloads folder. And once you've opened up your downloads folder, you're going to see the Steam setup icon here. So you just want to double click onto this to run the installation wizard, and then you just run through to install Steam. So you just want to go ahead and choose your language, choose where to install Steam, and then press the install button. So what it's going to do is start installing Steam onto your PC. So as you can see, that's currently installed in Steam now. And once it's done, it's going to be a box to tick if you want to run Steam straight away. Once that's done, just press the finish button, and if you've opted to run Steam straight away, what it's going to do is start downloading the updates for Steam. So this normally takes a minute or two the first time you do this. So you just want to give it a second to download all the available updates for Steam. So once all the updates have finished downloading and installing, what you can then do is open up Steam. You'll be taken to the login screen. So you just want to go ahead and log into your account. And as you can see, we are now logged into Steam. So that is how to go ahead and download Steam. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.